Hey friends, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today I'm going to make brownies with leftover buttercream. If you've made a Swiss meringue buttercream and if you ever have a leftover, don't throw it, don't worry. Even if it's kept in the freezer for long, it has the freezer burn taste. Still don't worry, don't throw it. We're going to make brownies. So I took the leftover buttercream, I weighed down and I got around 450 grams in total. Then I added around 300 grams of chocolate to this and I'm melting it in the microwave. So I've melted it, and if you see, it's already having bubbles, plus it is a little thicker batter. Okay, so this is nothing but just buttercream and chocolate. I used compound chocolate because that is what even I had at home, like leftover chocolate and leftover buttercream. So this, you see, it's a very thick batter, and to this I'm going to add 240 grams of flour, maida, and 40 grams of cocoa powder, and around a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. That's it. I've added the 40 grams of cocoa powder. Just a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half I will add the baking powder, and my brownie batter is ready from the leftover buttercream, and I'll let you know how it is. I'll post it after baking. Okay, then I'm taking a little bit of, like, maybe in 1/8 of soda, baking soda. Normally an brownie batter does not require the soda, but I needed a little. I'm not really targeting at a fudgy brownie here. I need either a cakey one or something in mid between of fudgy or cakey. Okay, and I have decided the ratios of this according to the leftover buttercream weight. So if you see, I mixed everything and that is like a brownie batter. Okay, I'm going to bake this same like for brownie temperature. I'm going to bake it around 160 degrees, and of course my skewer doesn't has to come out clean, it has to be a little gooey. Okay, that's what a correct brownie is. If you add a little more of what you call a little more of baking soda and a baking powder and maida or flour, so you will get a very thicker consistency which can be used for cookies, making cookies. So leftover buttercream can be used for making cookies as well as brownie batters. The brownies come out of the oven, and this is a correct brownie when it dips down and the edges are crusty and there's a dip in the brownie, which means it's a semi fudgy brownie, or you can say a fudgy brownie. Let's cut into it. This is how the brownie looks. I've demolded it. Let's cut. If you see, it's quite fudgy. And since I'm recording with one hand, my phone is there with me. That's why I'm not able to really clean the cuts. If you see the fudginess in this, plus there is texture, so it's not very gooey, but it has a proper brownie texture, plus it's fudgy, crusty on the corners. Perfect brownie from a leftover buttercream. I did serve it to my friends and they loved it. It was the best one. Thanks for watching.